Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Facebook and signing in. Once logged in, go straight to the menu and select Privacy Shortcuts. You need to confirm your email or phone and check two-factor authentication status to avoid lockouts. Next, choose who can see what you share to start changing visibility. Make sure you're on the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. This sets the base protections and prepares you for the detailed visibility and data controls that follow. Once done with shortcuts, dive into Settings and Privacy, then Privacy Settings to fine-tune visibility. Change default audience for future posts and adjust who can see your friends list. Use Activity Log to review and remove tags, and limit visibility of past posts with the Limit Past Posts option. Then open apps and websites to revoke third-party access and remove apps you no longer use. These steps stop unintended sharing and reduce data. To finish, verify changes with View as to see what others can view. Make additional tweaks if anything looks wrong. Save all settings and sign out, then back in to ensure changes apply across devices. For mobile, update the Facebook app to the latest version to avoid setting sync bugs. If settings still misbehave, clear browser cache or app cache, then retry. If problems persist, temporarily disable extensions or try a different device to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.